What's up, everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne, and I'm here with another unboxing. This ship from Bethlehem, Pennsylvania, all the way to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. We're going to do my trusty knife right here. Boom. Bethlehem. Not ham, but Bethlehem. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe. Please share. Check out some of my other videos. I have thousands and thousands of videos, and I appreciate everyone who watches each and every one of them. If this is your first time watching, thanks. If you've been down since day one, thanks. Definitely do appreciate each and every one of you. If you want to help support my channel, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne. Cash at me at London Hawthorne, please. But also, just go to, like, if you like cool t-shirts, go to rippedapparel.com or onceuponat.net. Find your shirt or shirts of choice. Save a couple bucks off every single shirt order. And if you use my username, London Hawthorne, when you're checking out. First up, from Legends of Professional Wrestling line, this is King Kong Bundy. This is the first time I've ever seen this in person. This is from 1998. Very, very cool. Articulation isn't that great, but yeah. Got some awesome bubble wrap. I am a collector. I do sell. I do give away. You never know. Check out some of the videos. You might see something that you like. Next up, from the classic Superstars line from WWE, we've got the Iron Sheik. Also in this line was Brutus the Barber Beefcake, King Kong Bundy, Mr. Wonderful Paul Orndorff, Terry Funk, and Nikolai Volkov. Do you let your figures breathe, or do you keep them sealed mint? Leave a comment, let me know. Next up, we've got the $1 Million Man, Build a Howard Finkel. Also in this line was Ravishing Rick Rude, Sergeant Slaughter, and Cowboy Bob Orton. This box has seen better days. Last but not least, in this set, we've got, with bone-crunching sound, WWF Superstars action figure. This is Big Daddy Cool Diesel. Big Daddy Cool is back. Also in this line was Undertaker, Shawn Michaels, Bret the Hitman Hart, Razor Ramon, and Goldust. And there was also a ringside microphone. I remember picking these up. I remember the day I first saw these. My cousin brought his home. He got his at the mall. And I was extremely jealous that he got a Shawn Michaels. But yeah, very, very, very cool. Join the WWF Clubhouse. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe. Please share. Check out my other ones. Do you have any of these figures? What's your favorite figure in your collection? Leave a comment below. Have a great one, and thanks for watching.